We are back at Six Flags Magic Mountain tonight for Fright Fest. This is my 4th visit, I believe. It is their 30th Fright Fest here at Magic Mountain, so we're celebrating that anniversary. There are 8 haunted walkthrough attractions this year, with 2 opening tonight, or actually 1 opening tonight is Saw. Conjuring opened, I believe, the week before, and I have not been through either one of those. So we're going to go check those out tonight. Saw 10, which actually opened in theaters yesterday, I believe, and then The Conjuring. So 2 IP haunted houses here tonight. Let's go see them.
Let me out! Help me! Help me!
So we just came out of Saw 10, opening night here at Fright Fest, and
it was so creepy. It was disgusting.
Saw was one of my favorite horror movies, and I was telling some folks online, oh, by the way, hi Ryan. Hi, Ryan was at the beginning of the line, watches the videos and the channel. Thank you for saying hi. And some family and friends behind him too, I believe, watch the channel. I interviewed Lee Wanell and James Wan years and years ago in Phoenix when the first Saw came out, before it was even a big deal for a newspaper that I was writing for. So all these years later, 10 movies later.
Oh yeah, they caught all the iconic scenes in every movie.
And there are maybe some spoilers from Saw 10, but I think whatever spoiler is in there you've seen in the trailers and floating about the internet. But
I don't think it'll give it away.
That was
awesome.
awesome.
Focused on trying to get everything in there.
And the actors in there, I know all of management's out front. You guys did an amazing job. Really, really cool. So also opening, I believe, weekend before last, but we weren't able to get out, is The Conjuring, which is up on the hill by Katie's Kettle. So let's head up there before the crowds migrate. Let's go.